In this video, you are going to see how to change the transparency of a picture as you can see here. Let's get started. To increase the transparency, click on the picture, click on right button, go to format picture and go to over here the picture and click on the picture transparency and increase the transparency from here. Then the picture transparency will be applied. But in the older version of Microsoft Word, if you don't find this option, don't worry, let me show you another method. Insert the picture, go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to shape outline, make it no outline and click on over here, go to shape fill, make it white fill color. Click on right button, go to format shape, go to fill and increase the transparency and you can make it like this. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.